The Schingoethe Center of Aurora University offers multiple tour options for groups interested in learning about art on campus. In addition to tours focusing on our featured exhibitions, the Schingoethe Center also offers tours focused on our university archives, contemporary Native American art, as well as highlights from our university campus art collection. The campus art tour includes sculpture, architecture, paintings, and works on paper. Upon request, this tour can last between 30 minutes and 1 hour. The Wackerland Center building is a hidden architectural jewel on campus. Constructed in 1951 as a home for Marshall and Shirley Goldman and their family, the building blends the aesthetics of modernist and organic architectural styles. The structure was designed by the Chicago firm Keck & Keck, run by the significant 20th century architect George or Fred Keck. Keck was one of the first architects to create solar houses that utilize sunlight and technology to heat spaces in an energy-efficient manner. The Wackerland Center building includes several solar elements, including large south-facing windows and sunshades. The labyrinth, located directly next to the Wackerland Center, is one of the installation pieces included on campus. Donated by the Aurora College class of 1967, the 7th Circuit Classical Labyrinth provides a space for meditation, mindfulness, and self-reflection. Connecting to the Wackerland Center's faith-driven mission, the labyrinth contains 7 rings correlating to popular symbolism in many different religions, including Christianity, Judaism, Islam, and Hinduism. Changing Waters is a piece created by Boston-based artist Natalie Niebach. This piece explores the meteorological and oceanic interactions within the Gulf of Maine. She worked with scientists to gather data and then translated the information using her own unique playful style. She uses woven paper, popsicle sticks, dowel rods, stickers, zip ties, beads, and other materials commonly found in craft stores or at home. Each element on the piece represents something in or happening in the Gulf of Maine. Graph by Puerto Rican-born and Chicago-based artist Edra Soto explores themes of national identity, displacement, and belonging. The overall structure of the piece is based on rejas, commonly found in Puerto Rico, but also in many South American countries. These structures act like fences, providing security while also allowing cross-ventilation. While originally very utilitarian, they would eventually become associated with the visual culture of Puerto Rico, leading to more decorative elements being introduced. Viewfinders have also been incorporated into the piece, offering a glimpse of life in Puerto Rico. If you're interested in learning about the other tours we offer at the Schingoethe Center or would like to book a campus art tour, please contact the Schingoethe Center at museum@aurora.edu.